hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter. Yo, you don't know emotion, you know. Alright, good evening everyone. You don't know, I there apologize to the public about this issue, a video I go around with me and her that called Dolly Ashanti. See? And me I go give you an insight of the story what go down. Alright? I do IG live takeover. And you see, most people have high followers, but I always message and tell them to go live, and people know me. I'm a book appointment, but me message Dolly Ashanti and tell she to go live, so she not go live. So me say, alright, here what? She said me to go live. I say me can't go live, I normal perform people. But anyway now, she said send me your number. We go to books, we exchange number and give her my business contact number. Then she called me on a group call, WhatsApp 4-way video call, and then she let me know straight, say yo, she want me to come perform for a show overseas. And she has tell me for sure people them feel magic. So I just so oops, I show them some magic now. And then after that now, I come off now. Don't do what I do. We come back again. Then this time there was a girl in the 4-way group video call that I know, and she know me good. She could have given me the heads up and say, yo, you know, says a Chani that my G. See? So after that now, she never tell me nothing. But anyway now, but don't do magic come off now. See? Next morning she called me again. Me not have no clothes or nothing because I'm about to go to the shower. So I answer the phone. I want to have the phone towards the upper part of my body, so we are talk. So then she did there say, go and talk man and show her. I say, alright then, you don't know me a man and a woman is that, you see me? So as me go so books now there talk until it lead up to flirt. So she did there tell me say for sure me or she for show my body to her and stuff like that. So I go so and show her my body, and then I move the phone come round so, because as you see the video mute, you know hear what she has say, so she has to show my body and my legs and behind me, and then after now I show her my private part. See? Then she take out her breast now and I show and stuff like that. You understand? She have her nails, eyelash, everything, lipstick, nose ring, mouth ring, so like woman. You understand? The stocking cap on her head and eyeliner on. But anyway, she did a flirt and I tell me one bag of nude thing. So me I say, yo, this sound too freaky, yo. You see me? So I go so and just cut the call. But I am here to apologize to my girlfriend. You understand? And my fans and my friends. And I am apologize for the nude video that going around and people seeing. See? Check out my IG and you see all more information about it and the details and the proof and message that we are message say. Alright? Have a blessing day.
Jaja City, Jaja City, Jaja City. Blessings of people. Big up on a cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there, you know. Well, this same thing I know, people. This same thing I know. Why this same thing was sent from the pit of hell? Only just Caesar knows. Well, this is a magician, people. Fire dancer as well. Very talented youth. You to me know. You know what I mean? Personally. Very talented youth. You will travel. Go all Cayman and then something like a perform magic, fire dancing and thing. You to working at several hotels across Jamaica. Very talented youth. Dancer as well too. Me I tell you. Very multi-talented youth. Zin? So, he's a popular thing you do over IG, like with him live and things, stream him, magic them and them something, they break up him bones and whatever thing going on over them, man. So even the other day I see where Maca Diamond was on his live, you know, entertainers for him overseas, other magician and something. So, to be honest, people, and get caught up with the whole, you know what I mean, the Kev something there. That same thing there. Yeah. That king. That. Why? Shark too good for get name, you know, that kangaroo fish something there. You know what I mean? Yeah. You get caught up with it, people. No joke about it. And why, people, honestly, may I tell you the truth, you know. You see, if a lot of persons out there, them don't really know what I go on. See? And they will get tricked. If there's a person who, you know, more them way manage to get something, you have some people, they don't fully understand the social media thing. See? Yeah. And some people new to the thing. And they don't know, like, they don't know that there's a lot of people. Not just say, this same thing, you know. That one who they in some country or what they son keep on doing these things to a lot of people. We're seeing do the same thing too. You know, but the dancer you thing, I notice me never vlog about that people because the same thing that kind of low. And with me, if I vlog about him, I gotta give him some straight attack. You understand? Because no way you should have do certain moves. So that's why you never hear me even talk about certain. But with this youth now, people, honestly, him get caught up because a youth I know say, me not swear for the man. No joke about it. I not go swear for the man because I'm there on the man 24/7. But a youth I know and me never see make no slippy move and none of them slip up move that way me have to pre him and say yo him gone that way there. You understand? A youth when me know say have him nice, clean no man live with a youth when me know say you know me never see make them move. They no joke about it people. A youth when me know you know what I mean? Me not swear for the man no because me know him and thing. No. But the thing is people, you see that same thing there. If you just notice, you know, he catch Christopher Martin. He catch Tony Mataran. Zine? He catch Ayok. Zine? He catch so much people. He go up on Gold God like Gold God didn't even know. Zine? Because the same thing are fake sitting in your van them, you know, people. You know what I mean? He fix up. He can't trick people if you don't know it. So this youth and our people, basically, he got tricked. And at the side of the thing, you have to see some message between the conversation with them got and thing, and you might see everything will go on if you can read it, try to make it slower. But he got tricked by the thing, people. He thought it was a, you know what I mean, fee, but it wasn't. You know what I mean? And in the end, you know, like in the that she tell him about show and thing, and the man, you know what I mean, the man do in travel and do show. So if you get an opportunity to get a show overseas, you might go take it. And this youth and Motion, right? Motion, and I'm going to put this link for the Instagram in the description, so you can just click, you go in the description and you get the link and go over there. We have a lot of different proofs and so I talk about the whole thing, people. See? So in the end, what happened now, them have some business arrangement and about the live thing, but the Dallas thing have a different plan. And when I tell his people, he had a friend, a female friend who I know personally, Zine, and the female friend is the one who get the thing in a four-way chat and something people. And the friend with him have, the female, never tell him, because basically the female did have a plan to mess up the youth. The female never tell him, say, you know, say that's something there. And one of them something there, you understand, and make the youth do fall for the trap people. So is that when he now go post up one of the that kangaroo fish something there pan him Insta thing people, and he put up the kangaroo something pan him Insta now, and somebody like one of female link see it and say, yo, that's something there and nothing straight, you know, you know, see that lean up. And then he comes up and say, and him delete it. And that is weird now. The same thing, the kangaroo fish something now get mad about the whole situation, so why you delete my thing, and like I tell him say yo such and such, him here say my channel, and I say yo, like I tell him say you know if you go against this and that, and in the end people, that is where he tell him now and threaten him say look at me did screen record you or whatever, and me I go leak it, and the youth say go ahead guy, youth ain't really take him serious, and the same thing do it. So this youth now have a image out there, nude image, nude video and something people where go viral, and you know what I mean, it affect him a lot, meaning personally, is guy having woman who him live with nice someone and thing. But in the end, people do make mistake in life. And, you know, this is one way I have to learn from. But as I tell the people, you know, I not swear for the man, but I know the youth and I never see him on that side when I look straight. You get what I say, I never see him on that. So, the idea can understand this enough. Zine, as I tell you, see there, Christopher Martin, right? Gold God, right? Octane, Mataran, Zine, and a lot more, because him say have a lot of them more wouldn't get caught up even. Is not, yo, but you see that same thing, people? You see that same thing there? Yo, me attack David, yo, me want to get my attack, you know? You see that same thing there? A time of the master, man. Time I go catch up on it. It no feel say it I go continue do what I do every day, and it I go smooth like that. See? You can't do people that. And I feel that the community where them have people need to do something about this. That is not right. That is not right. Because if it was one where they on the trade side comes to boom, and I do them thing to them people, you da hear them lick out pan with long time the community where them have. Right? You hear them lick out, you know, say we are go against this and we are do that and we are do that. So why can't they fix the business with this? This is not good. This is affecting people's life, people's career, people's family. It is jeopardizing a lot. I mean, know the people must say, yeah, your woman should never gone in a things with that or reach this so because you lost have a woman if they think a woman, yes, that is wrong. I may understand people. You do make a mistake this about on a real level side, the same thing there. The kangaroo, that yo, me need the feet, yo. You see, attack what it a get. Yo, people, something need to be done about it. It reached a point now where it reached too far now. It reached really far now. And there's a lot more youth. But just to these one popular, because these two popular people have a lot of followers. I tell you, him life them blew up over there with the magic because he's full of style. He can broke up him on 10, 20 times. Zine does a broke it. Him have a lot of style. Zine. So he find ways and he want this youth to promote him thing. And at this of the whole thing come. At this of the whole. But all me can tell my people. And other youths out there who are doing live and this and that, you have to be careful of social media. You see it? Especially when I get higher with the rank, just like me, people. A lot of them try for me. A lot of them with them cat, with them call it catfish or whatever, they try a lot. See, they do it a lot, people. And we have to be firm and strong in the thing. They do it a lot. A lot. Me I tell you, say a lot. No joke about it. See, that's why I not do video chat on IG. I not do it. Not even WhatsApp video chat. I not do it, people. No joke about it. I not do them thing there. See, so a lot of people feel like them I go, I see people do try if they call me on video chat, but I not go, come on, man. I not do them thing there. See, I not do them video chat something there. You understand? But now for us be careful. So for the youth motion people, very good youth, talented, but he just make a mistake and he just get caught up with the Jaja see, Jaja knows. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, people. More love, more respect, and just stay safe on the ground. And peace, love, and respect every time. And yo, remember, that same thing there, time of the master. Remember that. Peace out. Big up. I'm out.